Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to be explaining 10 product management terminologies with examples. Now, this is a multi-part series where in every different part, I take 10 terminologies that you as a product manager should understand if you're either gunning to break into product management or are already a product manager. So in this, we're going to be looking at very basic and core PM terminologies that you should absolutely know if you're looking to break into product management. But before I jump into the video itself, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to the channel for the best product management content. I'm very active on both YouTube and Instagram. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop this in the comments or just message me on Instagram and I'll write back to you with the answer. So number one is product roadmap. It's a high level visual plan that outlines the goal and direction for a product or a product line specified over a period of time. Generally, roadmaps are 3 monthly, 6 monthly, or a year-long roadmaps. For example, a product roadmap for a software company might include plans to release new features, integrations, and updates to their end product over the next year or next 6 months. Number two is user personas. It's a fictional representation of a typical user of the product based on the real data about the target audience. For example, a user persona for a social media app would include characteristics such as age, occupation, interests, and their pain points. Effectively, the goal of user personas is to ensure that whatever features or products we're building, we keep this specific user in mind and build it for that specific user, assuming that this is the user that is paying money to run your product. Number three is user stories. User story is basically a description of a feature or functionality. User stories are often used in the agile development to help teams that are non-technical to understand the value and impact of a specific feature. For example, a user story for a ride sharing app might be, as a frequent traveler, I want to be able to book a ride to the airport in advance so that I can have a peace of mind knowing that I have transportation to my flight. Number four is minimum viable product or an MVP. This is a product with the minimum set of features that your product requires to test the viability of product idea with the intended user personas. An MVP is often used to gather feedback and make iteration to the early design and also validate assumptions about the product before investing significant amount of money into the development of the product. Number five is feature prioritization. This is the process of deciding which features or initiatives to take first in the product roadmap, primarily done by the value they provide and the resources you need in order to build these initiatives. It often involves creating a feature prioritization matrix like value impact effort matrix or 2x2 matrix or RISE framework or a Moscow framework that considers customer goals, business goals, and technical feasibility of building that feature, product, or an initiative. Number six is product lifecycle. The stages a product goes through from a conception to the retirement of the product. The product lifecycle typically includes stages like development, introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Number seven is go-to-market or GTM strategy. This is a detailed plan that you build to take the product or feature out to your end users. This includes marketing and sales, distribution channels, target customers, and any sort of effort that you will require in order to take that feature out to your relevant target. Number eight is customer journey map. This is a visual representation of the steps a user takes as they interact with your product or the service. This goes from awareness to retention and beyond. A customer journey map helps product to understand the customer experience and identify the drop-offs in the journey itself and then seal those points in order to build like a complete user journey of sorts. Number nine is market segmentation. This is the process of dividing your core user group into smaller groups of customers with similar needs or characteristics. Market segmentation can help product manager to monetize their product and also build customized and tailored to these specific target groups or target segments. Number 10 is product market fit. This is the degree to which a product meets and aligns with the expectation of the target market. Achieving a product market fit is often also seen as the important indicator of a product success. This includes pricing, features, value proposition, and anything that involves the product acting with the end user. So these are the 10 important product management terminologies that I wanted to discuss in this video. Over the next video, I'm going to discuss 10 more of these terminologies. If you're interested, consider subscribing to the channel, drop a like on this video, share this across with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much.